everyone, my name is Ashla Nape and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another unboxing vlog, I could say, of some of the items that I've bought, and I'm still waiting for a couple of more packages to come through. So I'm not sure what this box has, but it came in today. So I'm just gonna unbox this. Okay, that sounds weird. Like, was there any need for this? Almost scared me. Oh, okay. I bought these two items because I honestly needed these two because I never had a straightener or a curling thong, and it's one of the things that I've always wanted. I have a story with my straightener that belonged to me before, but that's not what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, this is cute. It's giving. But this is not the brand that I ordered. I don't know what happened. Whether or not should I take it back, or I'm not sure how to even operate this. Oh yeah, this is one. So this is basically a two-in-one airbrush and a curling foam. So this is the brush nozzle, and okay, how do I take this off? Okay, this is the next part. I actually wanted this for like my wigs, if I wanted to like prong them on the bottom, or maybe make like some cool waves with my wigs. So I am happy. I don't know actually what I'm gonna do with this other one because this is definitely not what I ordered. It's not the brand, but I kind of like how it looks. I don't know, I have mixed emotions. I guess I could keep it, and for warranty purposes, if it disappoints me in any way, I will just send it back. I'll just have to check the warranty, or also if the heating is not to my expectations, I will definitely send it back to the company. So I'm gonna be doing some more unboxings in this video because I'm still expecting a few more packages from other different brands and things that I had purchased personally, so please stay tuned. Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly unbox this. I got it like quite early in the morning, so I think it's one of the collabs that I'll be doing with brand advertiser. So I'm just quickly gonna show you guys what I will be working with this time, because there's other packages that I received like a week ago, I guess, but I'm just gonna unbox them as well as the week proceeds. Let's see, this one is for baby socks, and I was quite curious what they're gonna give us, but now that I see what's happening here, Okay, I think there's a towel. I don't know what else. Oh, it looks like a wash bag or a toiletry bag. Oh, there's a quiz here at the back. But please do make sure that you follow me on my socials in case there's any competitions related to the products that I'm promoting, because I'm still gonna unbox my Kotex package, and I'm still waiting for another one as well from these people. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, this is what we're supposed to promote, right? The new Baby Soft wipes. So it's the wipes. Let me see what else they sent me. Okay, they gave me 3 packs of wipes. I guess these are samples. I don't know for what. A mouthwash, a body wash, and a shampoo. It's probably a gift they thought they should give us. What's this? A shower cap for Baby Soft. And a wash towel. It's kind of cute. It's a wash towel for Baby Soft as well. And please excuse my voice. I do have some sort of flu-ish symptoms. So yeah, that is my entire Baby Soft package. I'm really excited to work with them again. I don't know, I'm still gonna come up with ideas for the sort of content that I'm gonna shoot. I'm not even sure that this video will be up once I'm done with the shooting or before, but please do follow me on my socials, especially Instagram at Ashlanapi. I'll be so grateful if you guys do follow me there. Thank you for watching this part of the video, and please do stay tuned as I will be unboxing some more packages. So today I'll be unboxing the Kotex package that I got. These are like period underwears, so I'm supposed to promo these on my Instagram and TikTok, I think. So I had already tried them out, and I'm actually happy with how they work because they like have 0 leakages. You don't have to stress about using a pad or a tampon. It literally functions like the night pad. So I'm really happy with this. And then another package that I got is for Sunlight 2-in-1 hand washing powder. So I'm just gonna unbox the package that I got right now with you guys so that you can see what's inside. It's a big box, yeah, but I'll open it. But speaking of opening, I'm just gonna open this first. So this is the package. The Sunlight package. I actually had expectations like before, but yeah, I just got over them after I found out what's inside, like the contents of the package. But it's fine because I felt like they did some out of false advertising. So all of these things I got from Brand Advisor. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. I believe this is something that you can use to store your powder soap. And this is beautiful because I kind of like the color black. There's a packet of tags. Okay. It says multifunctional. It's my first time seeing these kind of tags. Like, but okay, it says no more broken tags. I think, yeah, this sold it for me because it's so tiring trying to fix a peg and whatever. And then coming to the soap. Here's the soap that I got. Well, there's also this fleece. It feels so nice and warm. Yeah, that's about it. And I think the brief, okay, this is, I don't know, something. I'm not sure if they put in the brief in here or something, because I don't see it. It's not here. But I just use the one that they put online. So, I have a request for you guys. Like, please do follow me on my socials, because normally with these packages you would find that there's a giveaway. Who knows, maybe if I post something you might stand a chance to win something. And sorry, this is not sponsored. Oh, not sponsored, but very refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I tried not to make things long, because I wanted to compile everything that I was going to unbox. So on my next video I will be doing a clothing haul from Shein and, excuse me, the new hair that I got. So I'm going to tag the person where I got the hair from on my Instagram, because I haven't like really been going through all of my packages. The only ones that I opened was because I have to start like creating content from now, because I've been delaying. So but however, I am trying to push the work, you get. So yes, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video of me unboxing my products and everything that I bought. See you guys in the next video. Bye. I think I need to reshoot this.